These are the finished products. Wow. Jungle, ready for the birthday. Animals. Some of the sample of the paper bags that we bought. Preferably choose different colors. First, you can browse from the internet some images that you want to then print it. Okay, so let's start. First, pick an image like this, and then you can start cutting them out like this. Okay, then you will start with the process already. These are plain paper bags. Then we'll now start sticking this image into this paper bag.
I'm using my finger.
Stick it using a glue. DIY loot bags. You have a lot of time to make your and prepare for the birthday party of your baby. It's much better if you can do it on your own. You will save
like
more
this?
even. Okay. Stick them using the glue, then stick it up onto the paper bag. Get the last piece, which is the body. And there, it's a finished product.
Hello, Sean.
You can check the image there before finalizing it so that you will not make mistake as you paste the image.
What color? Pink?
Repeat the process. Cut the images again.